Good day. So today, please join me as I unbox this new tripod. Um, I left my tripod at home. I didn't realize that, so I bought a new one, and I'm hoping it's better than my last one. There are some issues with my last one. The last one, I bought a Manfrotto tripod. It's not that big, so I thought it's not very durable. So this time I bought a more durable one, I hope. So yeah, join me as I unbox this one. So I bought this from Amazon and it cost 51 pounds, which is roughly around 3,200 in pesos, which is very cheap. I knew a friend who bought like some kind of this item, similar item, and he bought it for almost 10 grand in peso, 10,000 pesos. So this is what it looks like in Amazon, and it's called ESDDI 6 inches aluminum tripod. So let's see what's inside. I'm hoping to use this when I started to shoot again, because I'm planning to shoot some behind the scenes. So hopefully I'll be able to use this one. The bad news is I sold my other camera. So I only have one camera at the moment. So I might need to buy a new one or just use my phone for the behind the scenes. So yeah. Oh, I thought it's that big, but the box is just a lot bigger than the actual item. So this is the tripod. This is what it looks like from outside. And if I open it, oh wow, I think the case looks nice and it looks really durable. The quality is nice as well. So that's my first impression. I hope it will last. So in the inside, oh, it actually looks really durable to me. The quality and the build and the design, so far so good. So let me open this up. We have to cover this, or maybe there's something inside. Let me just have a look. Yeah, this is so much better than my last one. My last one was really thin and you wouldn't really trust it for your heavy camera. Actually, in the description on the website, it says it can carry up to 8 kilograms. So it should be so much good if you are, if it should be good enough if you're using it for your oops, okay. This looks cool. Nice. It's like a robot. I think this is very durable, guys. So it has this shoe here for the SLR. And I think, I don't know how to use this. I haven't used something like this. My previous tripod is similar price. It also cost like 50-60 pounds. I bought this like 3 years ago, but that one was really basic. It hasn't got this other features. I think with this I have to play around with this for me to know what's it's supposed to do. But I think this can capture really smooth it can capture really smooth footage if you use it for your camera. Okay, so this is the platform. It's not really hard to use, this one. You can just take it out and put your DSLR here and when you put it back, just slide it in and then lock. And I'm sure it's gonna be really secure. It's quite durable to me. And if you want to bend it down or up, you can just loosen this one and then adjust. Yeah, and you can easily lock it. Actually, the knobs are really smooth, so I think this will last a lifetime, this one, if you just really take care of this. And the best feature I could use with this one is when I'm shooting with the camera for video. If I loosen this, I can smoothly move this around to have a smooth footage. Yeah, that's the best thing about this. And you can also extend this. You can extend up to this, actually more. So it's really quite like really tall. So I don't think you can use the full one length because it's already tall enough. Another feature is also you can invert this one. This one can come down here, so that if you wanna shoot low angle, I'm not sure how to do it really, but let me try. Bear with me guys, I haven't used, as I said, I haven't used this one before. Can I remove this? So you can like loosen this up according to the height as well, but I'm going to extend it that for now. And then if you are shooting like low angle, you can actually invert this one. Yeah. Okay, so you just press and hold. Yeah, actually like press down and hold and then rotate. And same thing here. Yeah, to release and press down. This way you can shoot low angles. Yeah, let's quickly show you. Oops. Bear with me guys, as I said, this is my first time to use this kind of tripod, but I've seen this before. So you are going to put your camera here, you can shoot low angles. So I think that's all. So quality, I would say 4.9, actually 5 if I have to be really honest. I love this one. Value for money, of course I will give it 5. 1 to 5, 5 is the highest, yeah. And for the design, I would give it 4.8. And for lightness, I would give it 5. It's really light. So I think the one that I had before was really thin, and then but it was heavy. So this one is really light. It's made of aluminum, so it's really nice. So it's quite flexible, guys. So you can do a lot with this tripod, and it's really secure, and you won't really put your camera, precious camera, at risk. So I hope that I help you. I've given you something and some input on which tripod to buy. I would really recommend this one. This has a really good rating on Amazon, and my wife is going to upload this on our channel, so check out the description below. She's going to put it out, right honey? And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. And by the way, I'm using the new ring light that we bought as well from Amazon, and it's a banger. It's really nice. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.